Hi guys, today we are going to see some concepts of Node, okay, Node.js. So first of all, we'll see about npm and npx. Okay, so here it is npm and here is npx. If you have Node.js already installed on your system, you can just give these commands to check if it is properly here or not. Or if Node is not there in your machine, just type in this command sudo apt-get install Node. Okay, so this command will automatically install Node for your use. Okay, so now we are see some Node commands. So first of all, there is npm, and first of all we will see how npm works. So if you want to use any Node modules like Express, you can just type in. First we are going to create our own module in our current directory. So we are going to write this command npm init. Okay, we hit enter and it is asking for the module name. You can give any name. I will give it like your friend, anything, and name, it is saying that we can use only one character, so I will give Majadi. And sorry, your name can no longer contain capital. So you can see there are some conditions over here to create the name. So atom, I guess, and then version. Okay, I'm gonna skip that. It is use for querying, like anything for database management, databases. You can give any description of your module. Entry point, I'm going to give that only. Test command, git repository. If you want, you can store it in git repository. Okay, keywords, I'm gonna author, I'm gonna give Machadi, and like any game you can give your friend, your friend. I guess it doesn't allow spaces in between. And license, I'm gonna skip, and then type this command yes. And if you type in ls, you can see there is this package.json that has been created. So I'm gonna quickly open that in Vim. Okay, just type in this command. As you can see, there are some modules here. So the name has been there, the version is there, the description and the scripts, author, everything is here. So I'm gonna skip that. You can write that here. Okay, so I use Vim because it is, I guess, it is my personal favorite. Okay, because it runs on the terminal and we run the script here also. Okay, so now we will see basically what are Node modules. Okay, so here we created this package.json which is here for the modules, and now we are installing. If we use any module, like I use Express for connecting creating backend, and you can also create APIs for connecting the front end and backend. For front end you can use React, and for backend you can use Express. Just type in, just enter, and it will do the needful. So now we can do ls, and as you can see there is this Node modules. Okay, so if I show you where are the Node modules, here I have my another editor here. Okay, so Node modules are here. You can see there are many folders and files here for different purposes. Okay, there are like bunch of files, so many files are there, so many folders. So we're gonna just ignore that. So there is this package log JSON also. We can also open that in Vim. Package log. You can see that this many files here, this many data stored about basically a module over here. You can just exit. To exit Vim, just press colon plus Q, and yeah, now we are going to see basically this node modules are here, and now we are going to see how to create a demo on how to create a server with it. So I'm going to use Sublime Text here, so just Sublime Text, and this is open here, node video. I'm gonna just main.json. so first of all we're going to open a file which is here. Okay, so as you can see I have this code here which is my cheat sheet for Node.js. I will link it my GitHub repository to this code because it is really useful for Node.js concepts. Okay, so we are going to use, first of all we are going to use const like first of all we need http is equal to require http. If you don't know what are all these things, don't worry, it is just we are creating a server. You can reference my cheat sheet and as well, and if you want a video on Node.js completely explained, then yeah, so just type this create server, and basically just I can use, like you can just reference to my cheat sheet here, just give these commands here and just hit here, and it is listening to this port over here. Okay, so we can just press and just ignore this and write server created. You can see the code is here, and now this and open terminal, into access terminal here, and just write this command to node and the name of the file, which is main.js, and as soon as you enter, a server has been hosted to the port over here. So you can use Opera or any browser. Here I am using Opera. Okay, so now just open your browser. It's a bit slow, I'm going to use Firefox. That's a bit, because Firefox is faster and I recommend that Firefox. Yes. You just want to access the localhost server. Okay, now Firefox web browser is ready. I'm going to quit Opera and just local host, and we are having trouble finding that song. Local host, this is not shown here. The server, there's this reference here. So this is this, we're going to fix this bug. We just write and just like press enter here, and then we're going to compile it again and just whatever, and again the server has been hosted to the same place. As you can see, to this localhost server, you can inspect it as well. There is this server has been created. Okay, so yeah, basically this is how you can use Node.js. Okay, so these were some basic commands on how to basically start with Node.js, and as you can see, it is hosted here. This my Node.js is hosting everything here, and it is hosted on this 8080 localhost server. Okay, so yeah, this was the video explaining some commands and concepts of Node.js. I hope this video was helpful and you learned something from that, and I will see you next time. Make sure to like and subscribe, please.